Hi guys, and welcome to this other video. So in this video we are going to schedule a training plan for the FortiGate 6.6 administrator training. So we are going to see during the next videos the following topics regarding the complete training for becoming a FortiGate 6.6 7.6 administrator. So in the next videos we are going to see how to put in place how to do the following topic, as I said. So system and network settings, firewall policies and NAT, routing, firewall authentication, Fortinet single sign-on, certificate operation on the FortiGate firewall, antivirus, web filtering, intrusion prevention and application control, SSL VPN and IPsec VPN, SD-WAN config and monitoring, Fortinet security fabric, high availability and diagnostic and troubleshooting. So at the end of these videos that we are going to do during this on this topic, we are going to do practical videos so that at the end of this, everybody who is looking at these videos will be able to administer a FortiGate firewall completely from scratch. So to deploy this training all around, we need a lab settings. So the lab settings that we are going to put here is going to be composed of VMware Workstation 17 Pro. We are also going to install GNS3. So you explain next step virtualization and show how to do the installation, step-by-step installation of VMware Workstation 17 Pro and GNS3. Then upload the GNS3 virtual machine on VMware Workstation. So we also show how to integrate the VMware Workstation in GNS3. We'll also show how to download and import or upload FortiGate appliances on GNS3. So we see how to go on the FortiGate Fortinet website and download the appliances that are available. Then we'll see how to import them on GNS3. So we're also going to show on another video the differences between the trial licenses of three versions of FortiGate. So the FortiGate 7.2 and earlier version, FortiGate 7.2 up to 7.4, and the FortiGate version 7.6. The trial licenses for these three they have some differences. So you will see in another video how to do all of this. So at the end, we will see how to put in place our first lab. Then you will see how to go back in this in the following topics. Then we will do practical videos on where we are going to install every component, do every configuration, so that at the end of this training you have more knowledge, more practical knowledge on how to administer a FortiGate firewall. So it's if I can just introduce myself, I am Renel Fota, a computer scientist and computer system and network engineer with 15 years of experience on the field of IT infrastructure. So I have some certifications that I've taken during my work years. So most of them are basically certification under computer system and networking. So I started with CCNA, then followed by Microsoft certification such as MCP, MCSA, MCSE. Then after I did VMware, so I did VMware Technical Solution Professional. This for deploying virtual machine on VMware EXXI. So I also did certification under Nutanix for hyperconverged infrastructure. So I have Nutanix certification for NCA and NCP. I also did Microsoft 365 certified. So I'm administrator expert on Microsoft 365 solutions. So I got the certification on FortiGate. So FortiGate certified administrator and FortiGate certified associate. So during this the next couple of videos, I would like to share with you guys my experience, some of the things that I learned during the 15 years that I did in companies. So I would like to share with you some couples of things that I've been doing and how practical it is to become a FortiGate administrator. So guys, stay tuned till the end.